One of the learner failed the practical driving test. This learner got one serious and one danger fault by the examiner within a space of 1 minute. I have got the footage which I'm going to watch, and you guys can watch with me as well, and we will see what was the serious and the danger fault and what the learner could have done better to prevent the serious and the danger fault. So the examiner have told this learner to next roundabout follow the roundabout ahead, second exit, and the examiner clearly said the left lane is only for the left turning. So the learner have approached on a right lane, which is correct. So far the learner is doing pretty good. So the learner is in a correct lane to go ahead. So the learner have stopped at a giveaway line. So look, try to give it to a car coming from the right, but you can see traffic building up over there. So far the learner start moving, going to the left. So instead of keeping car to the left and stopping, the learner went to the right. The learner did say there was no mirrors and no signal. So this one examiner gave this learner a serious fault. So that now the learner is in the right lane, and there's two lanes going ahead. The road is merging, and the learner tried to change the lane, and there was a black car behind who have to slow down. So that will be a danger fault examiner have given. What can you do differently? So watch these videos, guys, and that will help you out. So I'm trying to recreate a scenario here. How can you prevent this thing happen again? So I am now about to cross the giveaway line, but my positioning is on the left side. I can clearly see the left lane ahead is blocked. So instead of changing the lane, I stop myself where the chicane lane is, and that is a safe way of doing that. You're allowed to do this. Once I feel the safe gap open, you check your mirrors and you can move back into the left lane and carry on driving over there. As you go further, you just need to make sure that keep your car to the left lane, and you check your right mirrors in case of somebody's merging. Now that is one correct way of doing it. Now the other way you could do on this roundabout, that as you approach at the right lane to go ahead second exit, and if you know the left lane is busy, what you could do as you emerge out of the roundabout going ahead second exit, you can keep your car positioned to the right. You can see that in the video. So I'm keeping my car to the right, and I end up going into the right lane, and this is where the learner got a danger fault as I'm going forward. So instead of changing my lane, I'm going to carry on driving on the right, checking my left mirror and merge safely to one lane. So I hope, guys, you understand this. Watch these videos a couple of times, and I promise you it will make sense to you. Driving is not difficult. Rules, understand the rules, understand what the plan B you can do if something like that happen, and make sure you have a good better forward planning and observation skills, and you guys will be fine. So I hope you like this video. So please like and subscribe my channel and share this video to your family friends. It might be helpful for them as well. Thank you.